everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and we're back again. Team Beth and Bailey and Abster behind the camera because it's lockdown.
Yeah.
So we're going to bring a bit of Christmas festive spirit to this video because we're going to be doing hair tinsel. So this isn't new. There's a few videos out there but I didn't find them that clear. So my friend Laura, this sells by Laura on Instagram, she said, Beth, do a video. So me and Bailey are going to be showing you how to put these in your hair. It's not just for Christmas, is it, Boo? You could do it for all kinds of occasions. So really easy. So ready?
Like a party.
Yeah, party. Yeah, definitely. Should we get going?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, I thought it'd be a really good idea before I show you the tinsel to kind of show you with ribbon. So you wouldn't do this with ribbon, but you're going to be able to see much more clearly what the 3 steps are with a ribbon than tinsel. So just hold that for me for 1 sec, please, Boo. Thank you. So I'm going to take a piece of hair. Now, when we do the tinsel, you're going to be taking literally about 5 strands of hair. But for demonstration purposes only, I'm going to take a kind of a big chunk, just so you can really see. So you'll get hold of your tinsel. Thanks, Boo. You'll get hold of your tinsel and you'll make sure it's kind of in half like that. And then you'll place that tinsel. Can you see how there's a loop there? Underneath the hair. Put your fingers through and then you're going to pull that through like that. So you've created a little slip knot and you want that to go right on the scalp there, right to the end of the hair. Okay, but if you just left it like that, the tinsel would literally just slip out. Can you see it's already going? So I'm just going to push that back up. So how you manage that is you tie a knot with one part of the tinsel and the hair. Okay, so just literally tie a little knot like this. And then you take the other part of the tinsel and again the piece of hair and you tie another knot, just a normal shoelace knot like that. And then that now, I know it looks horrendous with a piece of ribbon, but that's going to hold like way better, especially when you're only using a really fine piece of hair. So that's how we're going to be doing the tinsel, but bear with me, make sure you watch the rest of the video because I'll show you how you don't see the little ties on the part line. So I think the way I'm going to do it, guys, is I'm going to do like sort of 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 along this part, 2 at the back, and then the same along here, and then I'm going to do another row, and then you could even do another row after that. However, I think if we just literally start from this hairline, I think seeing those little knots isn't going to be as pretty. Whoops, sorry, Boo.
It's alright.
So the way I'm going to do it is, I'm going to skim a really fine piece of hair from that part line first. And then I'm just going to bring this piece of hair out of the way. Now there's lots of different colours that you can get. I kind of went on Amazon and these actually came in like a 10 or 12 pack of all different colours. They were really cheap and they came in 2 days, literally just put in hair tinsel. Me and Bailey are going for the multicoloured. Obviously if you were thinking more Christmassy, you might want to go like red and gold or to match an outfit, whatever you want really, but we're thinking that looks kind of 80s Christmas, so we're going to go for this one. So you'll literally just pull one of those little strands out. Okay, so you're going to make sure your tinsel's in half. You're creating that little loop at the top, remember? You're taking a really small section of hair, guys. I mean, you're talking, you know, 4 or 5 strands of hair. You're going to make that little loop, remember? You've got your piece of hair, your fingers come through, and you're just going to pull that through, and you've created a little slip knot, and loop, that little slip knot will slide all the way to the scalp, but it won't stay in like that. So what you'll do is you'll keep hold of your piece of hair, grab one part of the tinsel, really gently, you're going to make what I call a normal shoelace knot. So that's come through there like that. And then you're just going to pull that knot tight, like so. You're then going to take the other part of the tinsel, again, really gently, pull that through, and tie the other knot. And it's the third knot, this last knot, that really secures that in. And that's our first hair tinsel. Now, if it's longer than the hair, guys, just trim it if you want to. So that's the first piece in. I'm going to show you one more time, and then I'm just going to show you the shape that I'm putting them in, okay? So really small piece of hair again, guys. You've got your doubled up piece of tinsel. It goes round the back of the hair. You're just going to pull that piece of tinsel through, creating that slip knot. Slide it down to the scalp. That's knot one. Really gently. One piece of hair, one side of the tinsel. Your first knot. Sorry, your second knot. And then this side to create your third knot. So I've put in, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do one more layer, so I'm just going to take the finest little layer of hair, like so. I'm just going to clip that out my way. So I've done my next layer there, guys, and I'm just going to release this one back down and the original layer that we left out, do you remember, so that we can't see the little knots. But it's really cute because that hair doesn't completely cover the tinsel, and as the hair moves, all that tinsel's going through. So what you're going to do is exactly the same around the back, maybe 2 or 3, so you'll do one layer then another. Same on this side, don't forget to leave out that one little layer of hair. The more you do this, guys, the quicker you kind of get at it. So slip knot, 2 knots in. I'm going to do 2 rows around the back. So I'm just releasing that hair back down, guys. Oh, it's all sparkly blue. It's nice.
I feel nice.
So all I'm going to do now, guys, is just take Bailey's hair, and with my very professional scissors, I'm just going to trim the ends, not of her hair, just of the tinsel. Don't panic, Bailey. So hopefully, guys, you can see on the camera all the sparkle that I can see in person. Bailey's loving life. She's liking this one, aren't you, Bill? Yeah, we're hoping that school is going to let us keep it in. We'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully.
So you can just see little tiny bits of glimmer through the hair, and even from the front, I'm just going to turn you, Bailey. You can just see, I don't know if you can see on camera, just these little bits just running through. Now you can brush the hair as normal. I just wouldn't use a comb straight from the hairline there, because if you catch hold of one of the knots, it'll either come out or pull the hair. But I tried to take one out earlier and they did just come out, just undo the knots, so that was okay. Or natural hair shed will get rid of them. So let's have a look. On this side's quite good, Bailey. You can really see on this side. Woo!
You pop it out.
Yep, sparkly hair. So that is mine and Bailey's tinsel hair tutorial finished. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was easy to follow. Hope you have an amazing Christmas as well. And we'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.
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 Bye.